So 22nd March is the day of poll. We are saying last date and time for receiving nomination papers is 5th March 2020, which says that the nomination will begin from 27th of February. 27th of February up to 5th of March. 6th March, there will be scrutiny of nomination papers filed from 10 a.m. onwards until scrutiny is over. On 7th March, the candidates will have the option to withdraw the candidature. Poll will be held on 22nd March and the timing duration will be from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the counting of votes shall take place on 23rd March, the very next day, from 8 a.m. onwards till the counting is completed.
बीजेपी सगळे 50 सीट लढयतली. ज्या जाग्यार कोणाक तेको दिवपाचो प्रश्न येता ताचेर विचार करतले.
50 मतदारसंघा भितर आम्ही निवडणूक लढयतले. कांय भागा भितर आमच्या सिंबलाचेर आसा, कांय भागा भितर एडजस्टमेंट आसा जाल्यार ताका तेको दिवप आसा. हें जें आसा तें येणाऱ्या दिसांनी तुमच्या पर्यंत आमी क्लियर करतले. पूण सगळ्या मतदारसंघा भितर
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.